Hey guys, this is the start of my Halloween decorations and my fall. I will take the Halloween away after October 31st and leave all of the things that look like fall. This first thing right here I showed last year in my video. It's Halloween, a little vintage. It's such a cute little thing with a little girl dressed up carrying a pumpkin going Halloween, I guess, with her cat. It's so cute. So I found that at a vintage store. And these trees, they're sort of a really cute bronzy color. I keep them up all year, and I keep them up for the fall and for Christmas, especially. I decorate around them. And there I am, I can see me waving at you. This is another little vintage little plaque sign. It just sits on the table here. It says Happy Halloween. Maybe from the same person that made the other one. This is my parents on their wedding day. I've got that there. This is a Scentsy thing that I bought that you put in with oils, which I like. And this one, Beware of Sugar. I might move that, I don't know. Anyway, this little pumpkin here, it came from a little boutique store. Welcome friends. And these right here these are leaves, gold leaves. I got these at Tuesday mornings, last year or year before. So that's my foyer. Let me back out and sort of give you a view. Try to not get me in it too much. Sorry about the wobbly camera. Then I put two little pumpkins down there. I might change it out. It's on my dining room table. These placemats I got at Pier 1. The plates, I got those, I believe I got those at Publix one year. They had a lot of different things to decorate with that year. In the middle, the centerpiece is a wreath that you hang on the door. But in the middle of that wreath, I put that piece of pottery that my niece Kristen made. Then you go on over here. Then on the cadenza, let me shut this. I've got a pumpkin I got at an antique store. I got these little pumpkins. I just put them on there with the little leaves that I've just got them scattered everywhere that are from the Dollar Tree. This little guy and that little girl or woman and man I have getting ready for Thanksgiving. My sister had those and gave those to me, and I really like them, and I move them around. I don't know, I may put them somewhere else. I just move things from time to time. It may not even be there. Oh, and by the way, that's another wreath I hung just to get a little bit more fall in here. And it's pretty much the same thing on this side, and then we give thanks to God, which is sort of the fall Thanksgiving look. And there's another view of my table. This is my coffee table. At night it lights up a little bit better. It looks a little bit better. Leaves on the table. I've got a runner with leaves. Then I found these pumpkins here. I found them last year at TJ Maxx. I've got the corn that I have every year. And this tree I found at Sundance, and I just leave it out pretty much all year round. This is my Halloween tree. My Halloween tree, it's my fall tree. It's my Christmas tree. It's my Valentine's tree. It's every time occasion I keep this half tree up all year long. This time I did my trick-or-treats, did all the little fall flowers. A lot of these flowers either came from Michael's or the Dollar Tree. Most of them from Michael's. So you can see how I decorate it. It has lights on them. And believe it or not, these lights that are on this tree were put on there 5 years ago. This might be the 6th year. It was in November that they were put on. Then down there you see is two little sweaters. It was Molly's and her toys that she played. with all the time. That little, I mean, I see things that people gave her and she played with them at Halloween. I put her Halloween toys up and away with the Halloween things and fall things. And I got them out every year, and she always thought, oh, I got new toys, but it would be those that she would play at that season. That pumpkin there is my dad gave me. He found it at an estate sale, and then if you turn it around, it's got a big K on it, but I leave it like that. Just turned around. But anyway, there's my tree. If you like an occasion tree, you'll love doing this and just decorating for different times of the year. My mantle that I did. Every year I do it a little different. I do leaves. That's a runner of leaves. I got this little man. I got him at TJ Maxx. That's the candle, and that was the flowers. I think I showed you in maybe an Instagram post. That was made from my father-in-law's flowers when he passed away. I got Molly up there this year. I just seem like I don't want to put her anywhere else. I just leave her up there. Usually have a little candle next to her. And then I've got this love little thing, and I've got some things of hers in there. And then we're going across, and this is the Mrs. Pumpkin. And just both of these are so cute. And then it goes on over with leaves. This little guy, or little guys, little ghost, matches the ghost that the little pumpkin woman is holding. I found that yesterday at a antique store, and they match it perfectly. For me, I love it. So that gives you an idea for that, how you can put things together. Down on the hearth, I had these candles. Since the fireplace is too warm now to do that, to put anything, put the fireplace on. I got these 3 candle holders, and then I had these pumpkins that are 3 different colors. I found those last year at, I believe it was at Rite Aid. And then I just sprinkled some of the leaves I got from the Dollar Tree down around it. So it gives you another little look. This is a chest that my husband had made for his parents over 30 some years ago. So we got it and after they passed, and I have this pig that I've had forever. I found the plate that's on top of it from Harry and David, and it fits it perfectly. I put a pumpkin on it, and then this little guy, which I got at the Dollar Tree last year. It just gives it a little look behind the sofa. And I put those dried ivy. Sorry about the lighting, guys, but here's a little thing I put on the corners just from that chest. And I put a pumpkin. I've got the little guy here. He's holding it. Just gives you another little look. I put this little guy that I found at the antique store, and I put this little dried plant in it, and then they have all these leaves, and this is a cheese board. I had put this, you probably saw if you watched on my Instagram prayers when they're having the storms up and down the coast, and I've not gotten that off. I just left it on there. Also found this little guy. This little guy's so cute. It says welcome, and I keep him there too. But I do use this as a cheese board, and love it. It's a slate, and you can just write with the chalk that comes with it. You know, you put your names of your cheeses. Of course, you wouldn't have the leaves on here, of course. This is early morning, and I just wanted to show you this that I did in my keeping room. I put the candles and apples, if you can see that, apples and leaves. And I'll just go across here and show you. I just sort of did very simple. So that'll give you an idea of some of the decorations in here. Okay, that's going to show you a little bit of everything. I hope you enjoyed this video showing some of the things, the way I decorate. This is early morning, so I'm not going to show you what I look like. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Until tomorrow, I love you, and I'm sending you a hug. I hope you feel it.